Meaning of hitch.
hitch,
Hitch.
hitch,
Hitch. Hitch can have a few different meanings depending on the context, but generally it refers to a temporary pause or delay in progress. It can also mean to fasten or attach something securely to another object. For example, if someone says that their project hit a hitch, they are saying that there was an unexpected problem or difficulty that caused a delay in completing the project. Similarly, if someone needs to hitch a trailer to their car, they need to securely attach the two objects so that the trailer won't detach while driving.